Hi, I'm Rosie, property partner for CR Real Estates. Today I'm on Lingfield Avenue, just on the outskirts of Dartford. Come with me, let's take a look around. This 3-bedroom semi-detached home has so much to offer, with a dual aspect lounge diner, conservatory overlooking the extensive rear garden and 3 good-sized bedrooms. Now, although the current owners have done a lot to this home, there is still potential to grow and extend, subject to the usual planning consents of course. Within easy access to the M25 motorway and Dartford railway station, the home is a commuter's dream. Within 40 minutes you can be in London Liverpool Street. Located within easy access of Dartford town and Bluewater shopping centre, you'll never be stuck for something to do. The home is within catchment for multiple primary schools and secondary schools, such as the Brent Primary School, Dartford Primary Academy and the Lee Academy. You are also a stone's throw away from Dartford Valley Hospital. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call on the number below to book your viewing.